Hi everyone and welcome to the Your Next Car walk around video of the absolutely incredibly presented 430D M Sport Coupe. So as you can see, it is presented in the Melbourne Red, and alongside that this vehicle is equipped with the full genuine BMW Mperformance kit. And of course I'll take you around, I'll give you a good show of all of that has been fitted, and of course we'll go around and go through the interior major talking points and features. Alongside that full genuine BMW Mperformance kit, the vehicle also comes with BMW's M Sport Plus pack, so you do get the much larger front and rear M brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated Dakota leather. So at the front of the vehicle you'll be able to see that absolutely stunning bespoke carbon fibre front splitter that the previous owner has had painted in the centre section, and as you can see there, just to demonstrate that this is not one of the ones with the carbon fibre overlays in the corners. As you can see there, they are a one-piece front splitter, as I'm trying to highlight there. So it is a full genuine carbon fibre one-piece splitter. However, the centre section has been painted to give it that real bespoke finish. You've also got the gloss black front kidney grills. We've also got these very nice 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, which are in incredible condition in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Behind those alloys you'll see the front M brakes, which as I've mentioned are part of that plus pack. Down the side of the car, there you can get a sense of just how well these colours really do work together on the Melbourne Red. Gloss black air breathers, satin Mperformance side vinyls and of course decals. Moving on to the interior, which once again works really well with the exterior colour. We've got the black Dakota leather, which as I've mentioned does come with heated seats in the front, but not also does it have heated seats. We've also got the electric function and memory for driver's side. The superb and always sought after Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. In the rear of the 4 Series you find an ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with a centre fold armrest and a centre storage tray, and the very nice black M Sport headlining as you can see there. And of course, no matter where you sit in the 4 Series, whether you're a driver or a passenger, it's an incredibly spacious, comfortable place to be. And a vehicle that looks as incredible as this one, I am sure you'll agree, you're definitely going to want to be in the vehicle. Moving round to the rear, where we have the full carbon fibre rear spoiler, which again looks incredible set against that exterior colour. At the rear, again, another nice bit of bespoke custom work, where the centre section is done in gloss black and the outer parts of the diffuser, Mperformance diffuser, are finished in the Melbourne Red also. So opening up that tailgate, you'll be able to see just how large this boot space really is for a coupe vehicle. Alongside that you get split folding seats and the genuine BMW mats that will of course accompany the vehicle. So we'll close that down and we'll move around to the other side again, just to take a second or two just to show you how nicely presented this vehicle is. The Melbourne Red is a real strong colour and always a very popular vehicle when we have them in. Again, just showing you how well cared for these alloys have been, and all the way around they do have Bridgestone Pretend tyres that are again in a really good condition. I'm going to go ahead now, take a seat inside the vehicle as there is yet more special items to show you. Memory settings for the front seats. And now we're sat inside, straight away we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen. At the moment we've currently got the nav function up, however there is a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the BMW music collection, which enables you to store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive. Alongside that you've of course got Bluetooth for Bluetooth streaming to the vehicle, USB, AUX, Bluetooth for telephone function as well. There is of course the navigation function. And if we go across, we'll take a glance at the vehicle service requirements, and as you can see everything is highlighted in green, indicating that you've got plenty of service life left in all of the items. It's not due a service for 3,500 miles, and the vehicle does come with full BMW service history, as you can currently see on screen now. Remembering that the BMW service intervals are every 20,000 miles or every 2 years. And as you can see there, those M brakes both front and rear not due for plenty of time. Dual climate control, and also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. We've also got the incredible 8-speed Sports Auto with the flappy pedals, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 51,000 miles and looks incredible. incredible. So as always guys, I do hope you find this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. I will also leave all of the relevant contact information down below in the description, where of course you can view this vehicle on our website, and there will also be all of the prices along with our finance options and finance calculator, should that be applicable if you are looking at the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Most of all, we hope to see you very, very soon.